Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're going to do our
Lie detector game. Human detector.
human detector. Okay.
The subject is
Mommy
Jacob.
and Tata.
No, you're the subject for the lie detector.
Who's the lie detector?
Ikaw nga.
Okay.
So, mommy will ask tatay, right? Tatay will answer. Tatay will answer. And then, you will tell us if it's correct or a lie. Okay?
Titit.
Kapag mali, lie siya. Pag titit, correct. Okay, sige.
Go.
Number 1 question. We only have 5 questions, okay? And the first question is, Tatay,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
are you happy because we have our family bonding today?
Yes.
Titit.
Correct? Okay. Second question. Tatay, do you love Jacob?
Yes.
Titit.
Third question. I only have 3 questions left. Third question. 5 questions lang. Third question. Tatay,
Yes.
do you love mommy says?
Yes.
Titit.
Third question. Fourth question. Tatay,
Yes.
are you happy we are together, the 3 of us?
Yes. Very much.
Again, I'll ask it again. Maybe you are just confused. Okay. Tatay, wala pa nga tanong. Wait lang. Tatay, are you happy that we are together, the 3 of us?
Yes.
Mali? Ibig sabihin naglalay si tatay? So hindi siya happy. So, pag nag-ano si tatay, sasapanin.
Oh my God.
Last question. Fifth question. Game. Fifth question. Come closer. This is a nice question. Come closer. Tatay, do you have another girl?
No.
Correct?
Titit.
Ay, may kampe. Ay, may last question pala ako.
6 na yun.
May 5. May disqualified na lang yung isa. Okay. Last question. Number 5. Tatay, did you ever cheat on mommy?
No.
Egg.
Nakadalawa ka. Gaganti si
Ibig
Tata.
sabihin, lie
Uy,
yun.
no! Ngayon, si tatay naman tatanong. Tay, go.
Okay.
And mommy will answer. 5 lang.
6 kasi 6 ka naman.
Me, you love Jacob.
Of course. 1,000 infinity.
Egg.
Bakit ka na? Ibig sabihin, hindi kita love? Bakit hindi naman yung totoo?
Pag ako,
Ayun, sagot na. Again. Alitin mo yung tanong.
Nak. Alam na.
Gusto mo lang gumanti. Wala kayugan mo.
Hindi ako si tatay.
Kampi ka na naman sa kanya. Very good. Okay. O sige, tanong na.
Me, you love Jacob.
I love my son infinity.
Titi.
Correct.
Okay. Me, you love Tatay.
Of course.
Egg.
Anak, if I don't love your tatay, why would I marry him?
Wanda.
You're a liar, lie detector, human detector. You're lying also. We will slap you also. Let's slap you. Okay na, next na. Third question na. Sit properly. Third question na.
Mommy, are you happy you're with us?
Of course, anak.
What again?
Mommy, are you happy you're with us?
Of course! Oy, dirty na na.
Titi, titi,
Yes. Correct,
Mommy,
ah.
are you happy we are having a bonding?
Of course!
titi, titi.
Parang same lang yung question mo nun eh. Apat na yun.
Isa na lang.
Last
Nak,
one,
give
last
me
one.
one question.
I don't know.
He's
I
the
can't
human
give.
detector. Oo.
Mommy, you want another baby?
Yes!
Titi, 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 titi,
Five
titi.
Oh, meron pa ba?
Six, diba?
Oh, last one.
Mommy, what do you want? Boy or girl?
Hindi naman ano yan by ano eh. It's not an answered by ano eh.
Do you want a girl, Mom?
Yeah, I like baby girl also. But if God give us boy, it's okay also.
Titi,
Hindi ako nagaganti. Isa lang.
titi,
Sabi ko,
titi.
kampi tayo.